and welcome back to Mom Mickey Vlogs! We're here!
This is not to get confused. This one's for you. Baby, you my baby. You all I ever wanted. We can do it real big. Bigger than you ever done it. You be up on anything. Other ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. Could you hold me tight?
Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel! Hello and welcome back to Mommy Nikki Vlog. Today, mag-unbox tayo ng binili kong action cam and a few accessories. So, bumili ako ng action cam to document our bike rides and extra camera na rin that I'll be using for vlogging. But before I go to the unboxing, if you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos that I'll be posting. So yung binili kong action cam is a DJI Osmo Action. So it looks like this. I bought this from online from their official Shopee store, DJI Philippines. Price niya online is 13,990. Meron silang shop voucher, less 500 pesos, and then you can also use a free shipping voucher. And I also used a voucher that would give me 1,000 Shopee coins. So all in all, including the shipping, ang binayaran ko is 13,445 pesos. So this is the camera, and then this is the frame that is included in the box. Battery, which is already inside. And then, meron din siyang kasamang mga pang-mount. This one is the cable for charging the battery. Before mo siyang magamit, you need to download yung kanilang mobile app, which is the DJI Mimo app. Meron sa box sa likod, meron ditong QR code that you can scan. And then you can download the app. The camera is not activated, so you need to download the app and activate it through the app. And also, the box doesn't include a manual. Yung pinaka-manual niya is makikita mo dun sa Mimo app. So, you really need to download. Wala siyang kasamang memory card. I bought the SanDisk Extreme 128 gig. A recommended memory card to use is a maximum capacity of 265 gig and a UHS Speed Grade 3 rating. So let's move on to the accessories naman. I also bought a chest mount. This one is a Telesin. The brand niya is Telesin. I also bought this from Shopee. Looks like this. So, chest mount siya. You will put the camera here. So, the camera will be in front. A lens and screen protector. Also from Telesin. Also bought an extra battery. Para sa mga long rides. This one naman is a tripod. And lastly, bumili rin ako ng mini bag or case. Lalagyan lang nung camera. Mga prices ng accessories, ilalagay ko na lang din sa description if you're interested.
I also bought a bike mount, also from Telesin, so I can compare which view is better between the chest mount and this mount.
I-test ride namin siya. Pakita ko sa inyo kung anong itsura niya pag ginamit ko sa ride. Samahan niyo kami sa aming test ride. Let's go!
check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys. It sound right, boys.
So, I'm back from my test ride using the DJI Osmo Action. This is how it looks. So, ginamit ko yung chest mount nung paakyat kami ng Timberland, and then the bike mount naman nung pababa kami. So, comparing the two, yung chest mount, medyo low yung kanyang view. More of the bike and yung daan, yung makikita mo dun sa video. While yung sa bike mount naman, I think this is the better view kasi kitang-kita mo yung perspective ng biker. So, makikita mo yung daan and the view as well. I guess this is the view that I prefer. Ang downside lang ng using the bike mount is may tendency siya na lumuko pag nalulubak ka. So, nangyari sa akin to couple of times during our ride. So far, I'm really happy with the DJI Osmo Action Cam, and I'm looking forward to using it in our future rides. It's very user-friendly, especially for beginners like me or those na hindi professional when it comes to photography or videography. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, kindly hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe to my channel. See you again on my next video. Bye!